So this is what all the build-up's been for. We have the pretzel buns. We have the cheesy beer sauce. We have chicken currently frying. This is the Drunken Munster chicken sandwich on a pretzel bun. Ultimate grinds. Let me show you how I made the chicken. Sit eat this. Eat this. Yum. Well, here's how we're going to build this beast. We got our pretzel roll. Got our chicken chunks. Place as many of them on there as you want. We have some Munster cheese to top it with. We have our cheesy beer sauce. We're going to go on top of the Munster cheese with that. That will provide us a little bit of stick for what's about to come next. We have our fried onions. Buy them in the can. They're just fine and they're tasty. That's what our beer cheese sauce is going to provide the stick for. Bacon. Freshly cooked bacon. Recommended 2 strips. Gonna do some romaine lettuce. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm not eating your sandwich, I'm eating mine. Top it however you want. Pickles. 2 slices of tomato. And there, my friends, is our Drunken Munster chicken sandwich. Eat this, guys. That's some serious grinds there. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, be sure to subscribe and share it with some friends. Give us a thumbs up, comment, click the little notification bell down below. Be good people. Have a good night. Eat this.